Hold on to your wallets. Grass Airdrop Season 2 is here, and it's way bigger than anyone expected. If you thought Season 1 was impressive, wait till you see what's coming in Season 2. More tokens, more features, more ways to earn. And guess what? You might already be eligible without even knowing it. So, if you've got internet access and a few minutes, this could be your ticket to passive income in the world of decentralized data. Stick around till the end of this video, because I'm going to break down everything you need to know. What Grass is, what's changed in Season 2, who's eligible, and most importantly, how to maximize your airdrop rewards. Let's rewind for a second. What exactly is Grass, and why is it such a big deal? Grass is a decentralized data protocol. In simpler words, Grass lets you share your unused internet bandwidth securely and anonymously in return for crypto rewards. Imagine turning your laptop or phone into a passive income machine just by staying connected. It's part of the growing DePIN movement, short for Decentralized Physical Infrastructure Networks. Think of it like Airbnb, but instead of renting out homes or rides, you're renting out access to internet bandwidth and data pipes. Grass taps into the AI revolution too. Data is the new oil, and AI models need tons of it to train. Grass helps collect publicly available data across the web in a more democratic, decentralized way. And you earn crypto by being part of it. Season 1 of the Grass Airdrop was like the beta test, and it caught a lot of attention. Early users earned points just by running the app and staying online. No trading, no investing, just being online. Simple. Some users earned hundreds, even thousands of dollars, all from just keeping Grass running in the background. The project got shout-outs from major influencers. They raised funding from Tier 1 crypto VCs, and more importantly, the Grass community started growing fast. Now, here's where it gets exciting. Grass Season 2 is officially live, and it's packed with upgrades. Let's break it down. 1. The rewards pool is bigger. That's right. They've allocated more tokens than last season. That means a larger piece of the pie for everyone who participates. 2. Global expansion. Grass is now open to more than 100 countries, including India, Indonesia, Philippines, Nigeria, Brazil, and more. Chances are you're already eligible to join. 3. Referrals are supercharged. Each friend you invite gives you a multiplier on your rewards. And here's the cool part. Your friend also gets a bonus. It's a win-win model. 4. Points system revamped. Now, uptime and consistency matter. The longer and more consistently you run Grass, the higher your rewards. 5. Early movers get priority. This season introduces a dynamic leaderboard. Top performers can get boosted airdrops and exclusive NFTs. Now, the big question. Are you eligible? Let's do a simple check. You have an internet connection? You can install a lightweight app or browser extension? You live in one of the 100+ supported countries? If yes, you're eligible to start earning. All you have to do is go to Grass website, sign up with your email, download the extension or desktop client, stay connected and start earning points automatically. It's literally passive. No crypto skills needed, no trading, no risk of rug pulls, just internet plus idle bandwidth, 100 points, 100 crypto airdrop. Let's address the elephant in the room. Is this safe? Yes, here's why. No private data collected. Grass doesn't track your personal activity. It only uses spare bandwidth to collect public data. Backed by big names, Grass is supported by well-known VCs and respected crypto builders. Community transparency. The Grass Discord is active, and the devs are responsive. Open documentation. The white paper is available, and the roadmap is publicly shared. Plus, Grass is part of the larger DePIN trend, just like Helium and Render, which are already worth billions. So, don't miss it. Click the link in the description. Install the app. Start earning points passively and claim your share of the airdrop when it hits. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and comment below with your Grass referral link. We'll help each other grow.